want to eat something spicy and chatpata. I have made soya chili, which can be made only in 1 minute. Do you want to know the secret recipe? Then watch this. The chili is sleeping, so soya chili. No jokes, I will make real one. It's raining heavily. And what we eat in rainy season? We also like eating it in malls and theaters. Can you guess what is my today's dish? Make corn chat today. Apart from good taste, corn has vitamins, minerals, fiber and antioxidants. Look at the ingredients now. Ingredients required are corn, spring onion, tomato, lemon and fresh coriander. In spices we need chaat masala, oregano, black pepper, salt, rock salt, Cummin coriander powder, red chilli powder, sugar and turmeric. We also need some save, cheese cube, butter, Schezwan Chutney and Chilli chutney. We'll start making the dish now. First we'll boil the corn. So let's begin. We'll go to kitchen to boil the corn. We'll take a vessel, add some water and wait till water boils. When water starts boiling, we'll add 2 cups of corn. See, the water is boiling. We will add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. It will give good color to it. Mix it well. We will add 1 tablespoon of sugar in it. It will give good taste. We will keep it on for 4 to 5 minutes on high flame. You can see the corn is getting bigger in the size. Once the corn boils, we will strain it. My mama will help me in it. We'll fine chop the onion, tomato and spring onion. My boiled corns are ready and we will start making the chaat. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. We will add 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. We will add half tablespoon of red chilli powder. We will add 1 tablespoon of Schezwan Chutney. We'll add salt to taste. We will add Cummin coriander powder. Add oregano. We will add black pepper. We will add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. If you like, you can add more. Now I will add tomato, onion, spring onion and coriander. it with some cheese. I will sprinkle some chaat masala on it. I will also add some save on it. Sprinkle some spring onion and some coriander. My corn chaat is ready now. Was nice, Chatpata and spicy chaat. You can make this anytime. Hope you like my video. See you in next week with new recipe. Bye. Wow.